See, I might not be a financial advisor or anything, but one thing I did come here to say is as a woman, you need to start learning how to use your money to make you more money, especially going into 2025. We cannot be playing around with our finances. Like, see that whole thing people used to say back then where they're like, you need to save and invest early. They were not lying because when I tell you there is a smarter way to have your money make you more money while you're sleeping. Like I went to sleep last night and I woke up richer than I was last night today. That's what I'm talking about, where you're not actually working too hard. You're working smarter. Like, yes, you might have a 9 to 5 job. Yes, you might have a business, but why not be doing all that, like your 9 to 5, your business, and still generating money? Like you get that beautiful notification that says you've been paid this. Honestly, this year, 2024 has been sensational. 2025 is going to be a year for success for me and for you. And I need you to understand and hear me when I say, learn how to invest. But what I will tell you is when it comes to investing, there are a few things to know. Number one, the most important of all, because I do not play about this at all. Number one is when you want to invest in a company, know why you're investing. Because if you're just investing for investing's sake, because, people are hyping it up, or you heard that it's a great company to invest in because someone else maybe made a really high return or whatever, and you're not doing your own due diligence, you're not doing your own research, you're going to lose in the long run. And it's going to really upset you. Trust me, 21-year-old me has went through it. I got burnt and I learned my lesson from there because obviously then I never really knew about the company. I never sold at the right time. It was just a mess. And honestly, you don't want to be going through a mess right now, especially in the times we're in. My content is like going to be AI based where I'm giving you advice and how you can monetize AI, the tools I use, so on and so forth. But I thought I'd start with this because you guys just need to understand like my mission behind this, like creating, like obviously I have my previous content, but just for my future content, understand my why. And I just want to see more women win. I want to see more women be more financially stable. Like being able to provide for yourself is the biggest thing you need in this life. So what I'm trying to say is like, you need to know your own reasons for investing in a company. Let me give you an example of my reasons for investing in a certain company. There's a company, I can't give the name because I don't want to be told that, I said it's a good company or whatever, which it is great. But I'm going to just tell you my reasons, my why. Why did I invest in this company? Why did I still stick around? Even though when I first started, the price was very low, the price started going down and then it skyrocketed. So to get straight to the point, the company that I'm talking about, for example, they have a collaboration with the big dogs, which are like Google, Microsoft. They also have advanced AI technologies that's going to like improve customer experiences greatly. They have contracts with the government, and there's many other reasons why. And of course the share price was amazing. Like it worked out because obviously, like we all know, AI is becoming a new thing that's happening. I'm very skilled at AI tools and stuff, so I'm going to share more of those later. However, I decided to go my route for investing was strictly AI. It's been amazing, and I thank God for allowing me to find it as well. So my point is like, know your why. Don't just invest because for investing's sake. And obviously, if you're not trying to take that risk, my point of this video is you need to stop letting your money sleep, because the more you let your money sleep in a savings account, the more broke you're gonna be. Or my point is like, you need to allow your money to make you more money. Like money you're willing to be like, okay, I'm gonna put here, it's gonna make me more profit or whatever. If you're not really willing to invest in stocks, then if you're going to put your money in savings, at least put it in like a savings that offers you a higher rate. So for example, like instead of investing in a bank that offers you, let's say 2%, you can invest in a bank that offers you 4%, 3%, rate, where your money is in a savings, but they're giving you a certain amount every single month, and that accumulates. As long as you keep saving in that savings account, it will. That's a safer way to go about it. Research index funds. That's another safe way to go about it. However, for me, the reason why I'm not interested in index funds is because the profit I would get from it is way less than I would in stocks. Like they say, the greater the risk, the higher the return. So for me, it makes it more worth it because I don't invest in a company I don't believe in. I don't panic sell or panic buy or whatever. I'm quite chilled because I'm very confident in how the company is going to grow, especially when the company is starting at such a low price as well with AI, because AI only, even though it's been in like for years, to be fair, it's only just becoming something that people are aware of, and then people are going that route. Like wealthy people are investing in AI. And so it's like, yeah, that's my 2 cents, guys. I just really want people to start finding ways to allow their money make them more money rather than just realizing it later in the future. Like hit the like button, subscribe, and follow my journey because I will be talking all things finances, all things AI, giving you guys tips. Welcome to my channel. I'm Yvonne. And yeah, I'm excited to have you guys on this journey.